didn't have any at the store. Oh my God, are you okay? Man, wake up!
Look, Trevor, you have to get focused. This case may be severe.
Or it may not be.
The girl went crazy and passed out over a bowl of cereal.
She went cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. She shouldn't be here. She should be at Walmart purchasing her cereal.
This is very important. You never know what could be going on because she could be having anything. She has a humpback and there's a lot of crazy
Blah,
stuff
blah,
going on.
boring. I don't care. Go investigate the house thing and let me know when you find something interesting.
She could have malaria or maybe even...
What is her usual behavior and when did it change?
Well, whenever she gets mad, she bangs her head on the table and yells, "Bad Dobby." It started about a week ago. She's just like her father, really unstable. But I am concerned about her hunchback.
Hunchback?
You haven't noticed that? At first I thought it was just a mosquito bite, but it kept getting. But do you know what's wrong with my daughter?
We haven't tested her yet, so we really don't know what's causing all of her symptoms. It could be her nucleus, but controls the main functions. We need to test her plasma membrane because of that hunchback that you just said. She doesn't have a cell wall or chloroplast, so we can rule these out. It's probably something simple like an enlarged vacuole.
It isn't an environmental illness.
The house is isotonic.
We'll test its mental functions and control center.
Alright, be back.
Nurse, we need a nurse.
She got every question right,
Well, fantastic, then send her home.
but she also got every question wrong. She put 2 answers for every one. It's like she actually has another person living inside of her.
Big thing on that hunchback. I'm about to get cut her back off. I was just going to let you know.
Wait, what?
I'm going to cut her back off with a knife.
You can't cut her back off. You
Watch
need,
me.
You need proof to do an amputation. Go find proof.
Whatever.
Knock knock. Miss Weaver, are you ready?
Yes.
Hello. I'm Dr. Chase, and this is...
Dr. Cameron,
what seems to be the problem? What can we do for you today?
I've just been really bloated here lately and I just can't seem to get it to go away.
It seems like you may have an excess amount of water. Let's go over a few options. There's active transport, is when it takes energy to move things in and out of the cell. There's passive transport when there's no energy required. There's endocytosis, which is when things enter into the cell, and I'm pretty sure that's working fine. Then there's exocytosis, is when things do not go out of the cell correctly. And osmosis is when diffusion of water across the semi-permeable membrane. And that seems to be getting stuck. I'm going to give you he's going to give you a shot and to see if we can fix a few things.
All right.
Here we are. This will pinch just a little bit. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Turn your head and count to 3.
1, 2. It isn't her home. That's all clear.
It's not cancer, although that hunchback is quite disturbing.
Remember that test that we gave her? You know, all the arguing and headbanging? It's got something to do with a split personality.
What is it, Trevor?
Have you undergone cell division yet?
No.
So we all know the stages of mitosis, yeah? Interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. Well, she's gone through the cell cycle up to telophase. Her DNA has been copied and her chromosomes have been separated. The nucleus has reformed, but for some reason they didn't split, giving her a hunchback. Since there are two nuclei functioning at the same time, she appears to have a split personality. Luckily, she isn't a sex cell, so she doesn't have to go through the steps twice. Can you imagine? And she wouldn't have just a humpback. She'd have a triple hunchback. Can you imagine a triple hunchback? That's 3 backs on one back. Can you imagine that?
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Poor girl.
What do we do about it?
Turn on your side.